Beautiful Triumph Daytona there. Don't see many of those around anymore.
Coming already?
I am, yeah.
Right.
Hello.
Make sure you get this on film. No leg swing. Drop. Nice drop.
Oh yeah, that's come off. Yeah, no, I need to fix that.
You want to do that as well? None of my business.
Yeah, I've just bought a new chain. I have.
It's low and comfortable.
Yeah, no, it's actually a really comfortable bike, even when you go on the
It's supposed to be like that anyway.
Yeah. No, that's really nice. Like they go quite ISO.
Yeah.
You know, it's a nice little size.
There's a dip there. I've seen loads of people coming off there. You know.
Yeah.
Stopping.
Oh, just like ducking down. Yeah.
Especially women. Seen them there, yeah.
What's that? 73.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's quite. I mean, I'm a bit heavier now, so it does make a big difference. Like, but when I was lighter, it was like 73. Now it's like 69. Woo! Finally out on the bikes. That's the thing about being a biker. You just end up talking to somebody else who's got a bike for ages. And then you end up not even riding, so it is very dangerous. And here's Stuart on his BMW XR 1000, and I am going to struggle to keep up with that today. Oh, this is so unfair. Oh my god, look how far he's got already. I cannot wait to do my test. And guess what, boys and girls? I've got it booked for July the 17th. I think it's the 17th anyway. That was the earliest that I could get it. So basically everyone's doing their license. Oh, look at him, he's waiting for me. Show him how a real biker does it. And there, my friends, is the UK's most ugliest house, apparently. I mean, I think it looks pretty damn beautiful, but what do I know? So today's adventure, we're going to just basically be going as far west as we possibly can and see where it gets us. I feel like we never really ever venture towards the west and always end up in the east side, so we're going to have a look at West Wales today. It's going to be very nice, I'm sure. Just look at that beautiful mountainous terrain. Meow. Go on, Stuart. Give it some beans. Stuart? Oh, that sounds so nice. Considering it's got a stock exhaust on it, it does sound very, very nice. Look at that view. Oh, I've got to love my country. So I was thinking as well, you know, when we do have like a big camp meetup, that we should definitely go to like a place around here, and then we can get up in the morning depending on how absolutely smashed we are, and then we can basically just go for a massive ride out down here. I literally do not know where I'm going at the moment, but we'll see where it takes us. Oh, what? Look at that for a view. Oh, yes. How cool would that be to camp down there? Just down there. I don't know, we'd have to get a boat out there, like. But it'd be very, very good.
Right.
Hey?
Where does it come out?
I think it goes towards Snowdonia. Yeah, it goes, because, well, there. That's not Snowdonia, is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Looks small.
Nice, I like it, I do like it.
It's beautiful though, right? All the clouds across there.
You try and maybe find a place to stop and get a couple of pictures.
Yeah, definitely.
That'd be good.
I'm thinking now, where can we... We'll go around there anyway, won't we? And then we can trace back anyway.
You want to do like that? Do you want to have a go at this now? Maybe go back that way a bit?
Yeah, can do.
Leave by and then just come back and I'll wait here.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, if you feel like you trust me.
That's crazy talk.
That is a lot of trust Stuart has put on me. Like, so much trust for me to be on that bike of his, and it's brand new as well.
Honestly, the throttle on this is like, if you tickle it,
yeah,
you will be doing. I mean, this will do 80 or 90 mile an hour in first gear.
Oh, hell no!
Okay, this is interesting.
It's like when you let go of that clutch, it just wants to go.
Yeah, it does, and I can feel it already. It's like teasing me. Right. What on earth is this? That's so comfy though. Oh my god, Stuart, you've definitely made the right choice in this comfort seat. That is crazy right there. Wow. Oh my god, it is like being on a couch. This is beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god, I keep saying oh my god, but it's like amazing. Oh, whoa! Oh my lord! This is an absolute beast. Wow! Like so smooth as well. And it just dips into the corners. Like for such a heavy bike, it just dips. Look at that! That is so nice. Oh wow! Hello! Oh baby! Oh baby! Baby! That is a beast! What? This probably isn't the best road to go on. That's like quite a big reach though to the indicator. I didn't really like that. Neutral, maybe? Where do you go into neutral? I can't... Ah, there you go. Ooh, that was a bit hard to find. Let's just take a quick little look around this beast though. I don't want to worry him too much. I'm just a bit scared because it's quite a weight. I don't want it to tip over. But this is crazy. Look at all this. You got the little roller here to go through all the settings. You got ABS and everything. Absolutely beautiful bike. Look at that. S1000 XR. I think I've fallen in love with BMW. Honestly, like, it's just so smooth. It's just so responsive, and it's just so comfortable. Oh my god! And the sound of it. Hello. Oh, that's dirty. Absolutely dirt. Wow. My lord. Beautiful. God damn it, that is a weight. I am not used to that weight at all. Amateur. Ah. Take this very slow. I'm not even gonna rev it down here because the clutch is already pulling it on its own. And plus we are on gravel as well. Let's not make that mistake. But if you're looking at this bike and you've not yet been on it yet, you should definitely do a test ride on it. And that's a dead bird. You should definitely do a test ride on it. Like, it's so nice. This is my first ever 1000cc bike that I've been on. First ever. The biggest that I've been on is Alan's MT-07, who sadly is no longer with us. But yeah, I cannot believe how amazing this bike is. Look at that. I'm definitely not going to go crazy in first gear, no. It just wants to go. It literally just wants to go. Oh my god! Ah! What? What? Hello! Oh Jesus! No freaking way! It is like a bullet. It is honestly like a bullet. Oh, I bet he's getting worried now that I've binned it because I've been gone for a few minutes now. It's also got clutchless gear changes on this as well, but I'm not going to mess about with that because I'm not used to the bike, so I don't want to do anything too stupid on it, so I won't be messing about with that. That is in...
It's pretty wild.
Jesus. Tell you one thing I don't like about it, and I don't know if it's because I'm doing it wrong, but the indicator is quite a stretch to get over, if you know what I mean, because I'm there like, ooh, trying to move over. That's the only thing I don't like. I don't know if it's because the way I'm placing it or what.
You get used to that after a while.
Yeah.
It's like a muscle memory thing, but yeah, I know what you mean. But sometimes I find that when I'm pressing them as well, I'm not sure if they're actually on.
Yeah, it's like a weird feeling, isn't it? It's not like with mine, it switches over. It's like a small, little insignificant movement, isn't it, like with them? Yeah. Do you want to have a go at mine?
If I got on your bike, I would look like a gorilla.
Yeah. Oh god. And it literally just felt like I was going through a bloody wormhole. You literally just go...
It's so fast, isn't it? If
yeah.
you accelerate towards the corner, you go from having like so much time to think about it to having zero.
Yeah, and you're thinking, hang on, I need to like let go now because I'm literally there. You know, you're there. It's crazy.
Would you think the brakes are pretty good as well?
Yeah.
So like, good stop power.
So that would be me, that would.
Right.
Oh, stalled again, great. Fantastic, Benelli, fantastic. It feels so weird being back on this now. To have an instant power to just literally yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That is scary. Oh, imagine falling down there. Look at that. That is insane. Absolutely insane. Doesn't really give you much to go by, does it though? Like literally, if you fell down there, that would be it. Oh, this is not too bad, but still, like how small that wall is as well. Wow, that's insane. Absolutely mental, isn't it? Absolutely crazy. It just makes you feel so small. Little bridge. Woo! So this is what Snowdonia looks like. Wow, that is intimidating. What I find crazy as well is that people hundreds of years ago have built all these little walls that you see on the fields over there. Like, how crazy is that? It must have taken so long, especially on the sort of terrain that it's on as well. Oh, I know where we are now. This is called Electric Mountain because basically there's a massive dam here, and at the top of that mountain is a massive body of water. But it's quite interesting actually because you can go in there and you can go for a little tour and how they do it and everything, so it's a pretty cool place to go to actually. Awesome sauceum. And Stuart are back on the road again! We just had like this hot dog and chips and he had a £quarter pounder. Now it cost me £8.40 I believe it was, just to have some chips and a hot dog as well as a drink. OMG, that is expensive.